Okay, clinical scenario 1 is a question related to therapy choice, as in which is the most effective therapy.
So first we search for the main concepts, search for their meshes, quit smoking, then we search smoking cessation, then we explode and continue. Also continue.
Okay, so for the second topic, we're going to search for a cognitive behavior therapy mesh. Okay, we select cognitive behavior therapy and we explode it. Continue.
The third concept, nicotine replacement therapy. Then nicotinic agonists. And explode.
Okay, so now we're going to select all three of them and select and search for them. And now we're going to select a limit for the search, which is the age group. So we select adolescents. And we also select, as in quick clinical queries, we select the therapy that maximizes sensitivity. And we search. Okay, so regarding the PICO, first we obtain 15 results. And regarding the PICO, the population is the smokers. The intervention is to quit smoking. The comparison is between cognitive behavioral therapy and nicotine replacement therapy. And for the outcome, we found 15 results addressing this topic.